Corporate governance refers to the system of rules, practices, and processes that guide how a company is managed and controlled. It ensures that businesses operate ethically, transparently, and in the best interests of stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, customers, and the public. Why is corporate governance important? Protects shareholder interests, ensures that company leaders act in the best interest of investors, prevents fraud and mismanagement, reduces the risk of financial scandals and unethical behavior, boosts investor confidence. Companies with strong governance attract more investment, ensures compliance with laws, helps businesses follow regulations and avoid legal issues. Key elements of corporate governance. Board of Directors, the governing body responsible for overseeing company management, ensures that executives make ethical and profitable decisions. Transparency and accountability. Companies must disclose financial reports, business strategies, and risks to investors and the public. Shareholder rights. Shareholders have the right to vote on important matters like electing board members and approving major decisions. Ethical business practices. Companies must follow ethical guidelines in decision-making, employee treatment, and environmental policies. Risk management and compliance. Businesses must identify potential risks and follow legal and financial regulations to avoid crises. Example of corporate governance in action. A large company has an independent board of directors that oversees management. They ensure that financial reports are transparent, executive salaries are fair, and the company follows laws and ethical guidelines. If a company lacks good governance, it may hide financial losses or engage in fraud, leading to scandals like Enron's collapse in 2001. Good versus bad corporate governance. Good corporate governance. Strong leadership and independent board members. Clear financial reporting and transparency. Ethical decision-making and compliance with regulations. Bad corporate governance. Poor oversight and excessive executive power. Lack of transparency and dishonest financial reporting. Unethical business practices leading to legal trouble. Quick recap. What is corporate governance? The system that directs and controls a company to ensure ethical and transparent management. Why does it matter? Protects investors, prevents fraud, and improves company reputation. Key components: board of directors, transparency, shareholder rights, ethics, and risk management. Strong corporate governance is essential for long-term business success, financial stability, and investor trust.